Hello RT aliens and welcome to another drawing. This year I actually took part in October. Day 2 was the prompt spiders. Here you can see day 1, which was a prompt dream, which I would have posted previously. So here I'm just going through my sketchbook trying to get some inspiration, can't come up with anything. So I'm having a bit of a think, what will I draw for a spider? I know, let's draw some spider that stands up with legs and make it sort of cosmic horror-y. That's what I've done, starting off with I think it's grey pencil again. I must have decided to use lots of greys instead of my blue pencil. Yep, that erases better, so maybe it is grey. Can't tell. Anyway, waffle. Just drawing the star of the spider, giving it some legs, trying to make it sort of insectoid, although not that spiders are insects, they're arachnids. And this is neither. I've done the initial drawing, now I'm drawing in the detail with pen. This pen's a deviation from my usual. I tend to use, I think, uni fine liners, whereas this one is with a Copic fine liner. And this is just going to be, what's it going to be? It's going to be fine liner only for the texture, no pencils or textures or any of the detail here, just pen. And with this sort of cosmic horror-y drawing, making it rough as guts, I think gives it good sort of conveyance of the horror aspect. And also when you try and draw things that might be potentially evil, lots of like sharp lines, not soft lines. That's one of the shortcuts designers will use when drawing or when creating characters for movies or illustrations. So that's pretty much the drawing based on the prompt spiders, where I've drawn a spider using fine liner, and yeah, give it some hair, give it some more shading. Could have worked on this for probably a lot longer to make it a bit more, I don't know, stand outy from the page. But anyway, there you go. If you like this, subscribe, like and share. Let me know what you might have drawn or how you would have done things differently. Until next time, you've been watching Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yateman. Ciao, take care, and happy drawing.